Today's video is what's up, guys? This is your girl Shante and I'm back at you with another video. Today's video is a haul one. It's not a big haul, but it's a haul nonetheless. Do you guys know what this is? This is Amazon Fresh, okay? I am going to open these bags and show you guys what I got for, I think it was like $120 I spent. So that's not bad, but for these little bags, we're gonna see what's all in there. Okay, so this opens up. Got some mops. Got two of those. Got these ones. Cheesecake. Got some cheesecake, more cheese. Got these grand biscuits. These. Got some cheesies. Ground turkey here because we need ground turkey. Carb Smart ice cream. I love this ice cream because it has 4 grams of net carbs, so that's really good per serving anyway. These are so good. I don't know why I crave them, but being pregnant, you crave everything, so I love these. These juices have no high fructose corn syrup in them, and I love these as well. These come in handy. Got some more of those. And some more of those. So yeah. Got some more ground turkey. You're never gonna have enough ground turkey here. Another one. And another one. Another one. have here a big box of the TGI Friday honey wings, because again, I told you I love these. I crave these. I don't know why. Push that bag over here to come. Another one. So I got 2 of those. Another one. Another one. I got cookies for the kids because they love to eat through cookies. They kill them. I don't even know why. They just do. Kids. I also got 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 of these because they don't have high fructose corn syrup in them, and it's the only ketchup that my family will eat. So we literally stock up on this when we can find it. It's so hard to find these in stores because all the ketchup in stores has high fructose corn syrup in them. So we stock up on this ketchup. That's all there is that I got from my Amazon fresh haul today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the wacky craziness that we've got going on here. And the Vlogmas is coming. It's coming. Don't forget Vlogmas, so you want to stick around for that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.